Welcome back. You're watching the 18th match in round 1 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently have Queen's Prep on 4 points and Holland Primary on 0 points. It's now time for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, teams will face off against each other in the categories of science, math, English language, and social studies. Our first face-off will be between Jamani Brown, the captain of Holland Primary, and Brianna Fisher of Queen's Prep. So Jamani, we begin with you for your questions. What are the 3 lowest factors of 48?
Two, 4, 8.
Incorrect. Brianna, would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
1, 2, and 3. Jamani, the diameter of a circle is 7 centimeters. Using pi as 22 over 7, what is the circumference of the circle?
20.
Repeat for me, please.
20.
Incorrect. Brianna, would you like to answer?
Yes, thank you. 22.
Incomplete. 22 centimeters. Jamani, if 5x minus 9 equals 31, what is x?
8.
Please repeat.
8.
Correct. A man bought an item and sold it for $600. If he made a profit of $100, what was his profit percentage?
1,200.
Incorrect. Brianna, would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
20%. And final question to you, Jamani. A wall is 8 meters long and 0.5 meters wide. What is the area of the wall?
0.40.
Incorrect. Brianna, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
4 meters squared. So Brianna, we're still with you for your questions. What are the 3 lowest factors of 45?
1, 3, and 5.
Correct. What is the area of a triangle with a base of 15 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters? The question passes. Jamani, would you like to answer? Jamani?
No thanks.
37.5 centimeters squared. Brianna, if 3x minus 5 equals 22, what is the value of x?
9.
Correct. A boy bought an item and sold it for $210 at a loss of 30%. What was the original price?
$53.
Incorrect. Jamani, would you like to answer?
Yes, sir. 273.
Incorrect. $300. And final question to Brianna. A table is 0.6 meters long and 5 meters wide. What is the perimeter of the table?
10.12 centimeters.
Incorrect. Jamani, would you like to answer?
11.2
Repeat
centimeters.
for me, please.
11.2 centimeters.
Incorrect. 11.2 meters. And we'll now move into our second face-off of science. This will be between Jaden Newland of Holland Primary and Adriel Jones of the Queen's Prep. So Jaden, these questions are for you. Which system of the body consists of 206 bones?
The skeletal system.
Correct. What is the outer skeleton of an insect called? The question passes. Adriel, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. The exoskeleton?
Correct. Jaden. Which of these statements is correct? The water cycle can occur A, only during the daylight, B, without the sun, or C, without plants and animals.
Without plant and animals.
Correct. For what does a shark mainly use its sharp teeth?
To hunt.
Judges? To hunt. Correct. And final question. Is a spider A, herbivore, B, carnivore, or C, producer?
Carnivore.
Correct. Adriel, we move over to you for your questions. Apart from the skeletal system, which other system of the body provides movement? Question passes. Jaden, would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
The muscular system. Adriel, what is another name for the feelers insects use for the sense of smell?
Anthony.
Correct. Correct. Adriel, which of these statements is correct? Clouds are formed when A, the wind blows too hard, B, warm air rises and cools, or C, the air is too dry.
B.
Correct. What do fish mainly use to help them move?
Their fins.
Correct. And final question. Is a plant called a producer because A, it is green, B, it gives off oxygen, or C, it uses the sun's energy to make food?
B.
Incorrect. Jaden, would you
Yes,
like to answer?
thank you. C.
Correct. And we'll move into our third face-off of English language. This will be between Rian Anna Gray of Holland Primary and the captain of Queen's Prep, Joey Bassaraj. Rian Anna, what is the male of a nanny goat called?
Ram.
Incorrect. Joey, would you like to answer?
Yes, please. Billy goat.
Correct. Rian Anna, spell the homonyms which mean to hand over something in exchange for money and a small room in which a prisoner is locked up.
HOMONYMS.
Incorrect. Joey, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
So the homonyms we're looking for are SELL and CELL. Rian Anna, pronounce the word which is spelt COLONEL. Question passes.
Yes, please. Colonel.
Incorrect. Colonel. Rian Anna, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of necessary.
Unnecessary.
Correct. And final question to you. Give a four-letter antonym starting with T for the word false.
True.
Correct. Joey, we're over to you for your questions. What is the male of a duck called? Question passes. Rianana, would you like to try?
No, sir.
A drake. Joey, spell the homonyms which mean a small insect which feeds on the blood of mammals and to run away from a place of danger. Question passes. Rianana.
No, sir.
Flea, F-L-E-A, and flee, F-L-E-E. Joey, pronounce the word that is spelt Q-U-E-U-E.
Q.
Correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of understand. Question passes.
Yes, sir. Misunderstand.
Correct. And final question to Joey. Give a three-letter antonym starting with R for the word cooked.
Rot.
Incorrect. Rianana, would you like
No,
to try?
sir.
Raw. And we'll now move into our final face-off of social studies. This will be between Khadijah Smith of Holland Primary and Micah Green of the Queen's Prep. Khadijah, these questions are for you. Which Caribbean country's area is 10,991 square kilometers?
Cuba?
Incorrect. Michael, would you like to try?
No, sir.
Jamaica. Khadijah, Jamaican national hero Paul Bogle held what leadership position in the Baptist Church?
Deacon?
Correct. Which lines on a map help us to find or describe the position of a place?
Key?
Incorrect. Michael?
Yes, sir. Parish boundary?
Incorrect. Grid lines. Khadijah, on which continent can you find Tunisia?
Africa?
Correct. And final question to you. What intermediate direction is the Cayman Islands from Jamaica?
South?
Incorrect. Michael, would you like to answer?
No, sir.
Northwest. And Michael, we're still with you for your questions. Which Caribbean country's area is 5,128 square kilometers?
Hispaniola?
Incorrect. Khadijah, would you like to try?
No, sir.
Trinidad and Tobago. Michael, which Jamaican national hero was a politician, businessman, and church leader?
Sir Alexander Bustamante?
Incorrect. Khadijah, would you like to try?
Yes, sir. Norman Washington Manley?
Also incorrect. George William Gordon. Michael, what is another name for an intercardinal point on a map? Question passes. Would you like to try?
Yes, sir. Point.
Also incorrect. Intermediate point.
Intermediate.
Michael, on which continent can you find Peru?
South America?
Correct. And your final question, what intermediate direction is Barbados from St. Lucia?
Southeast?
Correct. And that is the end of our final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores now read the Queen's Prep on 11 points and Holland Primary on 7 points. Please stay with us. The final challenge is next.